So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to automatically scan and download multiple videos from YouTube just by some clicks. So now let's get to the point. Today we'll go to the scanning function with YouTube platform. We'll go to video scanning configuration. So firstly, we will choose the YouTube platform and we have some options. Scan by keyword, by users, as well as by hashtags. For example, we can use keyword or hashtag because it is more popular. Okay, and I will go for keyword. It's based on your choice. Okay, I will go for Warren Buffett advice. Okay, normal video or only short, you can choose it. Okay, to me, I will download the short only, and maximum video will be how many if you want. Okay, I will go for 20. And now start scanning and wait just a few seconds. The system will be done automatically for you and show fully the result over here. Your work is just sit and wait. Okay, now done. You can see, and ta-da, these are 20 videos with the keyword Warren Buffett advice. We have some views, videos name, URL, video. The comment and likes were hidden because of the policy of your YouTube. Okay, about the transmission, wow, that's a lot. And the duration, created time as well as stated. So let's go to the video download configuration. The number of video download will be 10 thread as usual. We save according to the title as well as save the file in another folder, and I have my folder videos right here. So now we can choose as much as you want. Okay, I will choose some okay, and download. And now just wait a few seconds. Okay, and successful. Now let's check. Wow, we have a lot, right? This is the 10 videos we have just downloaded. So let's try the first one.
Good evening, everyone. I'm grateful you've taken the time to join today. When I first picked up the intelligent...
Okay, so it's easy, right? And that's our video today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automation tutorial every week. See you in the next video.